Hello students, I hope you enjoyed this lockdown and even you are enjoying with your family. So stay good and healthy. Now utilize this time as schools are going to be open in July, after July. Okay, so you should be in touch with your study, and today's topic is factors. What is a factor actually? I have written few things on the board. As you can see, factor of a number is exact divisor of that number. It means, suppose a number, here is an example also, 2 is a factor of 10. It means, according to this definition, factor of a number is exact divisor of that number. So 2 is the factor of 10. It means 2 is the exact divisor of 10. So you can check it by the help of division. As you can see, 2 5s are 10 and the remainder is actually it is 0. So 10 is exactly divisible by 2 5 times and the remainder is 0. So 2 is the factor of 10. It means we can say, if a number is a factor of another number and if we perform a division, the remainder will be 0. In this way. Is there any other example of factors? Okay, I tell you. Suppose you want to check if 4 is a factor of 12 or not. So with the help of division, you can see that 4 3s are 12. So we can say 4 is the factor of 12 because 4 is the exact divisor of 12 because the remainder is 0. So we can say 4 is the factor of 12. Now second point, factor is always less than or equal to the given number. This symbol is less than or equal to. Okay, you can write in this way, less than or equal to. So either it will be less than or equal to that number. There are two conditions combined with each other, so either one will be true. Here is the example. You can see that 2 is a factor of 10 in the previous example. It means 2 is less than or equal to 10. As you know, 2 is never equal to 10, but 2 is less than 10. So either of the condition holds true. And third and most important point is, a number is a factor of itself. Okay, always a number is a factor of itself. For example, if you check for a number that is 4, is 4 a factor of itself? Just try with the help of division. Yes, 4 1s are 4. The 4 is completely divisible by itself because every number is divisible by itself and you will get the remainder 0. So we can say every number is a factor of itself. Now suppose a number is given and if you want to know all the factors of a number, all the possible factors, what will be the method? So I am going to tell you that proper method. Students, if you want to note something, pause the video and note it down. Now suppose a number is 2. We start with the help of 2, okay, because 2 is the simplest number to understand the concepts. So I am writing the table of 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, and in this way. This is the table of 2, okay. Here 2 is the factor of all the numbers. I am telling you a very important concept, okay. We can do in this way, that 2 is the factor of this number, this one, in this way, okay. So this diagram looks very beautiful, okay, isn't? स्टूडेंट्स, डायग्राम बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है ना. अब देखिए इसकी हेल्प से आप फैक्टर को बहुत इजीली समझ सकते हैं. दिस कॉन्सेप्ट कैन बी अप्लाइड with any number. This is the table of 2 and all the numbers which appear in the table, 2 is the factor of those numbers. Okay, for example, if we take a table of 3, okay, so 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and 30. This is the table of 3. Again 3 is the factor of all the numbers in the same way. Why? Because 3 can divide all these numbers completely. We also can say 3 is the exact divisor of these numbers. Suppose you want to check the division with 18 and 3, so it is 3 6 is 18, means 3 will divide 18 in this way. So you can see that remainder is 0. Okay, it means 3 is the exact divisor of 18, so 3 is the factor of 18. In this way you can check for any number. So note this thing. Now again, if you want to check that what are the factors of 12, here you can see 12 comes in the table of 2 and 3 also, so you can give the answer as 2 is the factor of 12, 3 is also the factor of 12. Is there any other factor? Means in how many tables you can get 12? As you know the tables, 12 comes in the table of 4, it comes in the table of 6, in the table of 12 also, in the table of 1 also. So there are many more numbers which are the factors of 12. So I am going to tell you how to find the factors of 12. This is a random number I have taken. You can consider any other number. For example, factors of 50, factors of 10, factors of 18, in such a way. So I am going to tell you how to find the factors of 12. So students, I hope you have noted this. मैं इसको इरेज कर रहा हूँ. Okay, now factors of 12. So what to do? You must know the tables. You have to remember the tables at least up to 20. आपको 20 तक की टेबल आनी चाहिए. 15 तक तो आपको आनी ही चाहिए, मीन्स 100%. इसके बाद आप ट्राई करेंगे तो आपको 20 तक भी बहुत अच्छे से याद हो जाएंगी. देन फर्स्ट यू हैव टू राइट 1 into 12 equal to 12 in this way. Okay, this method is very important to find the factors of a number. Then think after 1 the number is 2. So आपको 1 के बाद 2 कंसिडर करना है. क्या 2 के टेबल में 12 आपको मिलता है? यस, 2 6 are 12 आपको मिलता है. ऑलराइट, देन आफ्टर 1 2 वी हैव 3. यू नो दैट 3 4 are 12. ऑलराइट, आफ्टर 3 there is 4. 4 3 are, but 4 has already appeared. So think for 5. 5 की टेबल में 12 नहीं मिलता है. देन 6 already has come. Okay, now all the numbers are, their numbers are repeating themselves. So we will stop the process. Okay, and we will write the numbers in this way: 1 2 3 and 4 6 12. Okay, in this direction we will write the numbers. So the answer is factors of 12: 1, 2, 3, 4 in this way: 1, 2, 3, 6, 4, 6, 12. It means how many factors of 12 are there? Total 6 factors. How many? 6 factors. 1 2 3 4 5 6. I hope you understood. I am taking another number and will find the factors by using the same method. So note it down. Now think other number. The number is suppose 18. Okay, the number is 18. Now start with 1. आपको ऑलवेज 1 से स्टार्ट करना है. सो 1 18 1 जा 18 in this way you will write. Then with 2, as you know 2 9 ja 18, and the most important thing, you must remember the tables. Start with 3 3 6 ja 18. With 4 no, because 18 doesn't come in the table of 4. 5 not, because 18 4 की टेबल में भी नहीं आता है, 5 की टेबल में भी नहीं आता है, 6 की टेबल में आता है, बट 6 ऑलरेडी यहाँ पर आ गया है. ठीक है ना, 6 हैज ऑलरेडी अपीयर्ड. सो वी विल स्टॉप द प्रोसेस. जैसे ही नंबर्स रिपीट होने लगे आपको प्रोसेस स्टॉप कर देनी है एंड राइट द नंबर्स इन दिस ऑर्डर. ओके, थिंक दैट ऑल द नंबर्स आर केप्ट इन अ ग्लास. ओके, जैसे ये कोई ग्लास है ना, इस ग्लास में हमने सारे नंबर्स जो हैं वो डाल दिए हैं, फिक्स कर दिए हैं. सो यू विल राइट योर आंसर. फैक्टर्स ऑफ 18 1 C 1, 2, 3, then 6 9 and 18 6 18. These are the factors of 18. So in this way, okay, if you have seen and understood these things very carefully, you can find the factor of a given number. Now I want to repeat few points which I have discussed with you. What is a factor? Always remember that the factor is the exact divisor of a given number. Okay, so I am writing few terms here again. What is the meaning of exact divisor? Okay, exact divisor means after division the remainder will be 0. Exact divisor means exact divisor gives 0 remainder. Means if you perform this division, then 9 4 ja 36, remainder will be 0. So you can say 9 is the exact divisor of 36 because the remainder is 0. It doesn't matter the numbers are smaller or bigger. Again you can perform this. If you perform this division, 25 9 ja 225 and the remainder is 0. In this way you can say that 25 is the factor of 225 because the remainder is 0. So I hope you understood this concept, and to know the factors of a given number you will perform that process I told you. This is also another type of division. For example, if you want to find out the factor of 6, what will be the method? Start with 1. You always start with 1. So 1 into 6 always 6. Then start with 2. 2 3 ja 6. Then start with 3, but 3 has already appeared. Okay, so stop the process and make a glass like this. Okay, glass, or you can say mug. So all the numbers are kept in this, and write the numbers in anti-clockwise. In means जो क्लॉक होती है उसकी रिवर्स डायरेक्शन में, एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में आप उसको कलेक्ट कर लें सबको. सो फैक्टर्स ऑफ 6 आर 1, then 2 1 2 3 6. In this way these are the factors of 6. Okay students, now after seeing this video, if you have any problem you can pause the video, see all the contents carefully, then give the answers of the questions in your homework. I am giving you the questions as the part of your homework. First question, what is factor? Okay. Second, find factors of given numbers. Second is 15. Third is 21, fourth is 36, fifth question that is 50. Okay, these are the 5 questions. You will solve all the questions. Okay students, best of luck.